Hey everyone, it's so beautiful out here today. I had to start filming out here. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. If you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing in general, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the channel, and help me out. Hit the like button. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm so I can get these videos out to more people. For me, it's all about being able to break the cycle of poverty. I want people to learn how to use this money printing machine known as the stock markets and crypto markets to be able to break away from a 9 to 5, to be able to retire and do what it is that's meaningful to you in your life. So with that being said, let's take this in the house. Let's get to the charts, see what we got going on this morning. So here we are at the charts. Let's get into the market and see how we're trading today. So we've got the S&P in the pre-market just slightly down 0.03%, not enough to make a whole lot of difference. Looking through my watch list here, we've got a lot of green showing. So we've got some stocks that we've been watching, such as Coinbase and IMPP, but the big news today is going to be, of course, we got tech earnings this week, and we got two of the biggies today, two of my favorites, Amazon and Apple. Those two are both reporting today, and I think that is going to set the stage. I think a lot of people's been watching these, Google, Apple, Amazon. You could argue that is three that really move the market. They're, darlings to not only retail investors, but also to the big hedge funds and stuff. And quite frankly, I don't know what to make of them. I wish I could pick a direction. Yesterday we had Facebook reported and just absolutely got crushed. Now, I didn't expect Facebook to do good. I was looking for them to miss, and I looked for them to miss pretty significantly. But I've got mixed feelings. When you're researching Apple and Amazon, I think that they've done okay. I really kind of expect them to get pretty close. However, if they miss by even just a little bit, I don't know how the market's going to take that. So I'm not particularly looking to trade the volatility today because they both ran up some. There could be a good trade in there, but it's very risky because if they miss just a little bit, we could see them drop significantly as well. And if they hit, we could see them rally. Even though they've come up some, we could see them rally, I think, even more. So it's going to set the stage for how tomorrow does. So one of the things that I am going to be looking at today is going to be, we've traded the UVXY before. UVXY has come down quite a bit, and I'm looking at taking a position today in UVXY. That way, if they miss and that pulls the market down, the UVXY index is the VIX if you're not familiar with it. So if they come down, the markets start coming down, market volatility goes up, people get more afraid, then that UVXY is going to make money for us. So I'm going to be looking at taking a position in that today, and I am going to be watching IMPP. I've already tried to get some this morning down around 40 cents. Has not hit my price target. We've got Indonesian Energy already up 1% in the pre-market. So I'd like to be able to get a position in IMPP. I think that we could do much like we did yesterday. We bought it yesterday at 39.5 cents, rode it up to 42.5 cents, made a good little return on that. And I'd like to rinse and repeat today. So I'm going to be watching that very carefully. We've got Coinbase pulling back. I want to see Coinbase get back down at this point because we've got cryptos just kind of holding flat. We're not building at this point. So if we see the markets pull back a little bit, we could see crypto pull back, and therefore Coinbase as well. And depending on how far we pull back, my first initial target, thinking about it, is going to be right around that $68 mark. However, if I see the markets coming down hard, I'm going to completely bypass that and look for something more along about $64 to $66 range to take my first position, and then average down from there. Around $62 is sort of where I see the bottom, unless this market really takes a hard hit. Not that it can't go below 62, but at least in the range that we're trading, where the Fibonacci levels are, where we've got resistance, is up there around that $62 mark. We haven't broke that, I don't think, since BlackRock has taken a stake in Coinbase. I don't think that we've broke the $62 mark. Maybe we did once, just briefly, and then come right back up. But point is, I know there's a good strong resistance at 62, and that's where I'm going to go in heavier if we get to that point. So that is sort of the stocks I'm going to be watching. Like I said, so far this week, I think that Google overall did well. I know they said that they missed, and there's been a lot of fear out there, but overall I think Google did well. Now, there's no doubt that Meta, former Facebook, they got crushed. In fact, in the pre-market, they're down 23%. I didn't call it out on this channel yesterday, but I did end up taking a short position in that, made a fortune on it. Ran it up almost 20%. If I'd held on longer, could have ran it up even higher. But there was some money to be made there. I don't think there's going to be volatility like that in Apple or Amazon. And quite frankly, I'm hoping they beat. We got Christmas and stuff coming up, and I'm looking for the fourth quarter of Apple and Amazon to be good. But this third quarter, I just don't have enough information to decide for myself whether they're going to beat or miss on their expectations. I think the companies are doing well. I'm not concerned about where the companies are, but whether they hit actual expectations is a whole nother story. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I've been doing a lot this morning, been outside, been enjoying the cool. It's been foggy, just been beautiful, out with the dogs and stuff this morning. So just trying to get everything lined out here. But that's sort of what I got for you today. I hope you've been trading and following along. If you have, leave it in the comments. And as always, hit that like button for me. It helps out. If you're looking for a great trading platform and you don't have one, definitely check out my link for Webull. I put it in every video. Get on here, start trading with me, and learn how to break out of the rat race so that you can live the life you were meant to live. That's what I got for you. Catch me this afternoon. Be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.